This is going to be really interesting because nearly a month after the Bombay High Court had directed the Maharashtra government to file its replies, the High Court will hear the pleas challenging the state government's decision on Maratha Reservation today. Earlier, the court had directed the state government to file its replies to the pleas seeking interim stay on the implementation of quota, granting reservation for the Maratha community in government jobs and education. Now, in previous hearing, the High Court bench had said that it will hear the petitions after listening to all the arguments, since it is a legislative enactment and not a simple administrative order. And for the first time, a full bench has been constituted in Bombay High Court for the hearing on the affidavit filed by the state and the petitioner. Now, multiple petitions had challenged the Maharashtra State Reservation for Socially and Educationally Backward Classes Act 2024, under which 10% reservation was granted to the Maratha community in government jobs and education. Now, let's tell you, in 2021, the Supreme Court had struck down reservations for the Maratha community in colleges, higher educational institutions, and jobs after noting that there was no valid ground to breach 50% reservation while granting Maratha reservation. Shweta, my colleague, joins me for more. Shweta, very good morning. Of course, this is a big development after all that we've seen as far as the Maratha reservation row is concerned. Just for our viewers to better understand this, why is this significant in terms of it being heard today? And legally speaking, what do we know?
Well, that's right. In fact, this is a significant development, and it's the first time where full bench has been constituted from Bombay High Court to listen to this particular matter. Now, coming down to what exactly the matter is, now remember in 2021, the Apex Court has struck down the 50% rule while including the Maratha community, as they did not find that time any particular valid reason for that. But after the survey of 10 years, what the state has been producing the affidavit before the court, it has been stated both the forms, first socially backward class and economically backward class. Why is Maratha community has been coming down to this level that they are demanding? In fact, they have been seeking the reservation. All the reasons have been laid down in 162 pages of evidence which has been submitted before the court. Now, the clutch of petitions were already filed before the court after the ordinance which was passed by Shinde government in February 24, saying that there is 10% of reservation which is meant for Maratha community. That was time and again opposed. Today is an important day because both the sides will be heard. Now the state will be heard from General Administration Tribunal and also will be hearing the petitioners. So full bench has been constituted where it will be an important hearing as far as Maratha reservation is concerned.
Right, Shweta. Thank you very much for getting us the latest as far as what we should know in terms of this being a big day. But for the moment, we're going to have to leave it at that.